Mumbai has a new dim sum house, and my love for dim sums has got me to Cha, which is newly opened at Phoenix Mills at Lower Parel. And this is nothing like I expected it to be, because they've transformed a hole in the wall into this yummy dim sum place where you can just walk in while you're shop and have some awesome dim sums. Come, let's go try some. I'm joined by the head chef of Cha, Kamal Rai, and he has many years of experience of making these delicious dumplings under his belt. Kamal ji, thank you for joining me. कौन सा dumpling बनाने वाले हैं Kamal जी?
हम लोग आज स्पेशली स्पाइसी चिकन डम्पलिंग बनाएंगे।
Spicy chicken dumpling.
ये हम लोग का डिमसम का डो है
जी।
इसमें हम लोग व्हीट स्टार्च और पोटैटो स्टार्च का यूज करते हैं।
Okay.
उसके बाद कैरेट का जूस डाल के हम लोग इसको स्किन बनाते हैं डो।
ये beautiful orange color आ जाता है।
यस मैम। तो अभी इसको हम लोग मालिश करके बेलेंगे।
I like that. Wow.
तो अभी ये डो रेडी हो चुका है, तो हम लोग ये चॉपर से बेलेंगे।
Okay.
ये कपड़ा पर हम लोग ने ऑयल डाल के रखा है
अच्छा।
ताकि यहाँ पर स्टिक ना हो, इसलिए।
What a technique! It's become like this wafer thin. ये चिकन का स्टफिंग है। इसमें और क्या क्या डाला गया है?
इसमें हम लोग फ्रैग्रेंट चिली डालते हैं
Okay.
फिलिंग पर, और एस्पैरागस डालते हैं।
Oh, lovely.
तो हमने ये डाल दिया और फोल्डिंग।
Look how quickly he's doing it.
यहाँ से ऐसा काटना पड़ेगा।
कट करना पड़ेगा।
तो ऐसा शेप में यहाँ पे आएगा।
Wow. They look all uniform and similar. That is expertise in itself.
आज हम सेकंड डिश बनाएंगे क्रिस्पी प्रॉन डम्पलिंग।
Crispy prawn dumpling. Wow.
ये कनाफा नूडल्स है।
Kanafa noodles. Okay.
तो इसके साथ में हम
राइस के बनते हैं?
जी राइस
Oh,
राइस
lovely. Lovely.
का। और ये है हम लोग के पास प्रॉन्स फिलिंग।
Okay.
तो एग वाइट भी थोड़ा सा लगा
Okay.
के रैप करेंगे उसको।
Wow, these noodles
तो
are so
इसको-
delicate.
तो एक पर्सन में हम लोग 3 पीसेस देंगे।
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे ये डाल दिया मैंने।
ये मैं करूँ?
यस
आपके साथ?
जी मैम।
ये ऐसे?
ऐसे और ऐसे पकड़ने का। फिर इसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग टच करेंगे इधर, और यहाँ पे ऐसा लगा के थोड़ा घुमाएंगे इसको।
My prawns are exposed. आप थोड़ा कर दीजिए। और अभी इसके बाद
अभी वहाँ पर लेके जाके फ्राई
करेंगे।
Yes.
Great. So while chef gets these amazing dim sums ready for me, you stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
चा मतलब टी इन चाइनीज, और जहाँ पे you get tea in China in a tea house, you also get dim sums. So cha is a dim sum tea house. Dim sum क्या है? Dim sum is a very simple, tiny eat with tea. What did we do with tea? We have regular tea and we have bubble tea and we have iced teas and we've got mocktails. So a bit of innovation over there. उसके साथ भी आप dim sum खा सकते हो. It's just a break. A dim sum is a tiny break in your otherwise busy Mumbai life right now. So we have 36 types of dim sum, dumplings, chung fan that we have on our menu right now, and slowly वो और बढ़ते जाएगा. It is under an escalator, 2 arms of seating, and then we've got illustrations on the wall which shows you someone running after dim sums, enjoying them, really dancing with merriment, entertaining zen. So I think cha makes you do that. It makes you lose all the tiredness and the fatigue of shopping and gives you a nice tiny break. It's like a sorbet course in a long meal.
And I'm going to start with the spicy chicken dumpling. Looks so good. The color is fantastic, so enticing that I'm actually salivating just looking at it. You're supposed to have it in one bite, but I think it's a little too big for me. Here goes. This dim sum is as good as it looks. It's beautifully flavored. The stuffing is beautifully spiced and the coating is delicate, soft and just melt in the mouth. Next I'm going to try this Wedge crystal dumpling. It looks absolutely stunning. You can see all the veggies through the translucent wrapper. I have these yummy sauces for accompaniment and some chili garlic sauce. There it goes. Wow. ये जो ट्रांसलूसेंट जो कोटिंग है रैपर है उसको स्टार्च से बनाया जाता है. It's a mix of potato and tapioca starch which gives it that elasticity and makes it translucent. This is fabulous. It is stuffed with carrots, it's stuffed with chestnut, some shiitake mushrooms, and the flavors work so very well together. So good. Next, I'm going to try the chicken coriander dim sum. Look at this fabulous color. It's a purple dumpling, and the purple color comes from purple cabbage puree that has been added to the dim sum wrapper. Dunk it with some sauce. You know, I'm only trying 4 of these, but I think I can have at least 10 more because everything is so good. I'm just gonna have a sip of very refreshing bubble tea. This is raspberry bubble tea and it goes very well with all the spread on my table. You must try it. I've been dying to taste these because we made them with the chef and they look absolute work of art. I don't even know how to eat this, but you know what? I'm just going to be like absolute crass and wild and just go for it. This is crispy goodness that goes so well with that sweet chili sauce that they've served with it. I can keep eating this and I don't know where to stop. This place is very affordably priced and the location is such that you can be shopping, you chance upon this place, walk in for a quick bite, yummy dim sums and go back to shopping again. So do definitely give it a try. And from the corner of my eye, I can see my team who's been eyeing these dim sums all along and can't wait to come and try them. So please guys, please come and have. Aajao. Go for it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe 2 times now, Foodie. For more such experiences, keep tuning in. Take care. Khao yaar.